Hello, my name is Jan Behrens, and today I'd like to show you the new duct calculator from the VentTools app. The duct calculator is a small part from the VentTools app. It is a selector to find the optimized duct sizes that is easy to install and energy efficient. The way to do it is really simple. First, you select the shape of the duct, then you select what you want to calculate, and finally, you see the result in the top right corner. Finding a duct is really simple. You need 3 out of 4 informations: the airflow, the air velocity, and then the dimension and shape. If you know all these 3, or if you know 3 of these, then you can use the duct calculator. I like to give you a sample. This is a small building. There is already a room stamp here, and each room has a specific airflow. What we know is we want to use round. As long as we can use a size of 300, we want to use a velocity in the air in the ducts of 4 meters per second, and we know again the airflows from the rooms. This is the duct line. We want to go up in the blue line with the supply air, and we want to use the yellow lines for the extract air. And then we have some overflow of air into the corridor. So finally, what we do is we take the airflows from the given drawings, then we use the duct calculator. First, we type in what is the shape of the duct. We select the circular duct here. Then we say, what do we want to calculate, which is the dimension. Then we can use a slider to select the airspeed, or we can type in the values that we want by typing on the field. Here, for example, the airflow, you can type in directly on the airflow, and then you give in the number, in this case, 480 cubics. The result is seen on the top right corner. If you make or use a drop-down menu, you can see the nearest standard diameter in round systems, which is in this case 200 millimeters. And if you use the extract duct with 460, type in the 460 here, we can see that we use the same diameter. So in both cases, I would use a duct size 200. Okay, if you take it in, we take the 200 millimeters. If you take the next level, so 770 in this case and 730 in extract, these two values, we can do absolutely the same. We select the 770 inside the duct calculator. We get a size of 261, but the nearest standard diameter is 250, which I would select in this case. The same for extract. We take in 730, and the result is a size 250 as well. Okay, taking in 250. Now we come to the next level, which is 1250 in supply at the next corner, and we have 1820 at the bottom left corner. Just using these two values, typing in the 1250, means we get a duct size which is bigger than our maximum size of 300 that we get allowance on the project. So therefore, we change now this shape of the duct. We want to use a rectangular instead. We want to calculate the dimension, and we have to select, if we use rectangular, how we want to use it. So we know one of the sizes, or do we want to use a ratio between the B and the A size? The air velocity should be the same, so 4 meters per second. The airflow in this case is 1250. And the side is the height of the suspended ceiling, which is in this case the same as the previous duct, 250 millimeters. If I select this now with OK, I got at the top right corner again a side of 346. So 350 should be used in this case. So 350 by 250. Taking the others, airflow 1820. Immediately we get a size which is 505 millimeters on the top right corner, and then we say it's 505 by 250. Now we can use exactly this given ducts here and type it in to the project. So finally, if we have done that for the whole project, we have everything we need to design the system. The sizes are given and the airflows are given. That is what the duct calculator is doing. So therefore, enjoy to use it. Thank you.